How OpenAI Chat GPT works. GPT is a powerful deep learning model that uses natural language processing to generate human-like text. It is one of the most advanced language models available, and it has many potential applications, such as text classification, machine translation, and question answering. One of the challenges with using GPT is that it can sometimes provide answers that are not really answers. For example, it may give a one-phrase response that is unhelpful, or even boilerplate, such as, "I'm just an AI." I can't take positions that can be sensitive or insensitive. This can be frustrating for users who are looking for more detailed and specific answers to their questions. To address this issue, OpenAI has developed a chat interface that sits on top of the GPT model. This chat interface is what users interact with, and it communicates with the GPT model to provide answers. However, in order to ensure that the answers provided by GPT are appropriate and safe, OpenAI has built a trust and safety layer into the chat interface. The trust and safety layer is designed to intercept the user's input and determine whether the GPT model is allowed to provide its true answer. This safety layer is programmed by humans, and it represents their biases and judgments about what types of responses are appropriate for different types of questions. For example, the safety layer may decide that it is not appropriate for the GPT model to provide a controversial or offensive response to a particular question. One of the challenges with the trust and safety layer is that it is potentially biased, just like any human decision-making process. There is mounting evidence that this safety layer is biased in certain directions, such as providing positive responses about one political figure and negative responses about another. This is a critical issue, as it can lead to unintended consequences and undermine the trust that users have in the system. To address this, OpenAI is working to improve the transparency and oversight of the trust and safety layer, and to ensure that it is fair and unbiased. This involves developing rigorous standards for evaluating the performance of the trust and safety layer, and providing regular reports on its performance to stakeholders. Overall, the GPT model is an impressive feat of engineering and represents a significant advance in natural language processing. However, as with any AI system, it is important to recognize its limitations and to work to ensure that it is used in a fair and ethical way. By developing transparent and fair oversight mechanisms, we can help to ensure that GPT is used in a way that benefits all users and avoids unintended consequences. Thank you for watching this video on how GPT works. We hope that you now have a better understanding of this powerful language model and the challenges that come with using it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on AI and other topics. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.